What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD, and I am here to share with you some of the gear I was able to use in order to create this video and beyond. Now, let's first start out with the gear that I used. I was talking to Aperture and they were asking me, what do I need? Now, I'm used to getting the typical 200, 300 watt lights, which serves a certain purpose, but I told them I need power. And what did they do? They totally delivered on the power. 1200 watts of continuous light, 1000 watts of RGB capability, and the RGB knocked it out the park because I have not been able to get that much power in an RGB light in over 5 years. So that, along with some of the gear that I had, which is the Aperture Spotlight, some of the soft boxes, all combined to make a phenomenal setup and allow me to create. Now, the first thing I want you to know is that this is not only for a photography perspective, okay? Some of you know that I've been doing film since the inception of this channel, and it's actually how this even started. So on another channel, yeah, that's right, on another channel, I'm going to spin off and have a cinema channel. That way I could talk more specifically about the cinema perspective, okay? But just to give a rundown, I also was able to use this particular setup on location. And you know what? I'll let you see some of the BTS now.
More than anything, what the words can express.
David, what's going on?
Even like this, through the darkness, through the stillness, silence, I see you so much more now. I see you so much more. Ring, ring, ring.
What?
Good.
So I recorded that all with my Sony A7S III, and so when the final product comes from that particular setup that was running on the dolly, I will bring that to the other channel. Now, for this particular video, we are talking about what was I able to create in the studio. And so I've done a couple different variations, but this one is going to focus mainly on two lights without RGB. I did run some RGB in another shoot, but we'll save that for another day. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here we have this shoot. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the I, DD. And we have
Gab Phelps.
Gab Phelps. Two S's. Okay, I'll put that in the bottom left-hand corner. And we, again, have one light setup, but I might add this second one that's providing a little bit of field light for us right now. But we have the Aperture 1200 Storm light here, and then we have a 600, and then we also have a 1000 RGB. So I might add some color in here, okay? Might add a little bit of color. So we're gonna get some shots. How you feel?
Feel amazing.
She feels
amazing.
I'm
excited.
Okay, so we are going to get these shots and let's go. Boom.
Okay, Jingo.
Okay, so we are going to add this second light in, which is a 600 watt light, and we don't want too much we don't want it to overpower what we got going on with the spot. So I have this at the lowest power right now, but I'm even going to do a little bit more to control it, and I'm going to put a grid on it right now. So let's do that. I want you to give me more of kind of like a pull on each side, so that it's kind of dramatic, you know what I mean? And you could kind of shift hips, so you could open your stand. Yeah, boom, there we go. 1, 2, 3, perfect. Boom. Oh, that's it right there. Boom. All right, that's it right there. 1, 2. Boom. Put your chin up. Boom. All right, there we go. 1, 2.
Okay, Jingo.
You see where you got like, I want the rest of them to be free, so
Like,
yeah, like this. So you got like these right here, and then the rest of your fingers kind of away. Yeah. That's fire right there. I'm gonna get full body. Boom. There we go. 1, 2. Woo! What I want you to do is I want you to turn around again, and I'm gonna get you kind of from your back.
that's not
Whichever way is natural, I want you to. Boom. There we go. 1, 2. Boom. Boom. And then let me get those hands in the back pocket again. Yeah, turn that way. Turn that way. Yeah, I think that's it right there.